Hi, I'm Kenny from Ecowagon. Here today I'm going to give you a little workshop tour, basically show you through a few things that we do at Ecowagon. Basically the vans come in, normally they're brand new vans, they come in, they go on the ramp, they get fully stripped out inside, ready to start the conversion process. Every van's wrapped up with a special paper to protect the paintwork and protect it from any potential damage that could happen. We take this really seriously at Ecowagon. The vans have got to be kept as new, and we treat every van as if they're our own van pretty much. While they're on once the roof's in and everything else, do the carpet lining, insulation, everything else. Then they go on the ramp. They have all any suspension fitted, if they're having air suspension, underslung gas, underslung water, all the wiring, the rails for the bed, everything's done on the ramp then. Then once they come off the ramp, they go over here and they have all the units fitted, and they're basically built up pretty much to this stage. Through here, in the corner there, we've got a separate metal work room, so any metal work we do, like making brackets, everything else, that is kept away from the vans to protect them again. Everything's, the main thing that we look after the vans, and we try and minimise any chance of any damage in any way at all. This is a machine shop. This is where we've got a CNC machine and our edge bander. The CNC, basically, we program everything in on the computer over here, then press a button and the machine does most of the hard work, cutting all the units out. Then we bring them over here, and this is where we do all the edge banding. This is a really expensive machine, so again, it's the best money can buy. So it produces a really nice job of putting the edging on the units there. Through here, this is where we build all the units together. Alex and Kevin are in here, basically get all the components together, get all the edge banding done, and then just build them together. And now I'll show you a van that we've finished and it's ready to go out next week. Basically, before vans go out, we do a full checklist of everything that's done in the van, just to ensure everything meets Ecowagon standards. This one's electrical conversion. It's got lots of neat extras like electric roof, air suspension, auto level, lithium batteries, inverter. It's got the new Pico control panel system in it, which is marine based. We've had so much trouble with caravan electrics over the years, we don't use them anymore. We only use Victron marine grade electrics because they're basically bulletproof, and they've got a really minimal failure rate. This one's also got the Cali bed. Our basic philosophy with vans is we try to build vans that look amazing, but they've got to be practical. There's no point having a van that looks amazing that isn't practical in our eyes. If you like what you've seen today, just give us a call. All the details are on the website. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel to see more stuff.